Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top passive income ideas for 2026, designed to help you earn money around the clock, even while you sleep. The world is changing faster than ever, and earning methods that didn't exist 5 years ago are now massively profitable in 2026. Thanks to AI, automation, and digital markets, passive income is no longer only for wealthy investors, anyone can build it. These ideas work for students, full-time employees, freelancers, stay-at-home parents, and business owners. I will break down each idea so you know how it works, how much you can earn, and how to start quickly. Stick to the end because I reveal the highest-paying ideas last. Let's jump into the strategies that can transform your finances this year. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of a company's profits simply for owning shares, a true passive income source. Companies with strong cash flow and long-term stability offer reliable dividends that come in quarterly or monthly. Sectors like telecom, energy, banking, and utilities are known for consistent payouts. You can start investing with tiny amounts using fractional share apps. Dividend ETFs reduce risk by spreading your money across multiple companies. Reinvesting dividends leads to compounding, your money grows faster every year. Over time, the dividend income alone can become a full-time monthly paycheck. Perfect for building generational wealth and long-term financial security. Requires no daily work, you earn money passively year after year. High-yield savings and AMP, cash management accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer interest rates significantly higher than traditional banks. These accounts are perfect for short-term savings because the money stays safe, insured, and easily accessible. No fees, no penalties, and instant withdrawals make them ideal for beginners. You earn interest every month without doing anything. Great for people who want completely risk-free passive income. Digital banks compete with each other, so rates continue to rise. You can automate transfers so your savings grow without effort. Helps build an emergency fund while earning passive returns. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate without buying or managing property. Platforms pool funds from thousands of investors to buy large projects like rentals, apartments, or commercial buildings. You earn rental income plus potential appreciation. You can invest with as little as $10 or $100 depending on the platform. Professionally managed properties mean you don't deal with tenants or repairs. Diversify your investment across multiple properties to reduce risk. Monthly or quarterly payouts provide regular passive income. Perfect for people who want real estate income without owning a home or taking a loan. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by promoting products and getting paid per sale, click, or sign up. AI tools can generate blogs, product reviews, emails, and video scripts automatically. Once your content ranks on Google or YouTube, it makes money 24/7. You can promote Amazon products, software tools, online courses, and digital services. High-ticket affiliate programs pay up to $500 to $2,000 per sale. Social media automation tools schedule posts for months, making income passive. Affiliate funnels can run automatically once set up. Digital product selling, one of the most scalable passive income streams in the world. Create digital items like planners, templates, checklists, fitness plans, AI prompts, or business tools. Once uploaded, these products sell over and over without any extra effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify handle payments and delivery automatically. Zero shipping costs, zero inventory, and zero customer headaches. AI design tools help you create professional-looking products quickly. Popular digital products can sell hundreds or thousands of copies monthly. You can create entire product bundles to increase your earnings. YouTube automation. Start a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice. AI generates scripts, edits videos, and creates thumbnails automatically. You earn from ads, affiliate promotions, and brand deals. Evergreen videos like finance, motivation, travel, and tech tutorials earn forever. With consistent uploads, your channel becomes a digital asset that works 24/7. Outsource video editing and voiceovers to freelancers for full automation. High views equals high recurring passive income. One video can earn money for years after publishing. Renting digital assets. Digital real estate is becoming more valuable every year. You can rent out domain names to businesses for monthly fees. You can rent monetized websites to companies needing online presence. Rent out AI tools or premium scripts to marketers and agencies. Digital assets do not get damaged, expire, or need physical maintenance. You can rent to multiple clients at once depending on the asset. Works globally. Your clients can come from any country. Great for people with creativity or branding experience. Print on demand. Create custom designs for shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters, and phone cases. Upload designs once. Whenever someone buys, the platform automatically prints and ships the product. You only get the profit margin while the company handles everything else. Trending designs like quotes, memes, graphics, and holiday themes sell best. AI design tools help create hundreds of designs in minutes. No investment required, perfect for beginners. Multiple stores increase income potential. Passive income grows as your catalog expands. Peer-to-peer lending. Loan money to people or small businesses and earn interest every month. You choose risk levels. Safer loans offer lower returns but more stability. Platforms handle everything from approvals to payments. You earn passive income as borrowers repay with interest. Diversify across multiple borrowers to reduce risk. Perfect for people wanting predictable monthly income. Works like being your own small bank. Autopilot. Niche websites. Build small websites focused on topics like pets, food, gadgets, home decor, or finance. AI writes articles that rank on Google. Once ranked, traffic becomes automatic and long-lasting. Earn from ads, affiliate links, and selling digital products. Low startup cost and huge long-term earning potential. You can sell niche websites later for 20 to 40 times monthly profit. A single website can earn anywhere from $300 to $10,000 per month. One of the most passive and scalable income models available today. Licensing digital content. Create photos, videos, music, AI images, or voice clips. Upload to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. Every download earns you money automatically. Build a large catalog for increasing monthly payouts. AI tools help create thousands of assets quickly. Content creators, editors, and companies buy these assets worldwide. You earn passive royalties for years with no maintenance requirements. Automated dropshipping. Stores sell products online without ever touching inventory. Suppliers handle packaging, shipping, and logistics. AI tools manage product research, marketing, and pricing. You earn profit on every sale automatically. Once automated, it requires only weekly check-ins. Ideal for busy people wanting e-commerce income with minimal effort. Works globally, no matter where you live. Renting physical assets. Rent spare rooms, furniture, electronics, cars, bikes, or even power tools. Earn daily, weekly, or monthly income without additional work. Great for people with unused items sitting at home. Requires zero skills. Simply list your item and earn. Combine multiple items for multiple income streams. Perfect for small, steady passive cash flow. AI chatbot subscription business. Build chatbots using simple no-code platforms. Sell them to businesses that need automated customer service. Once created, chatbots answer questions 24/7. Businesses pay recurring monthly fees to keep using them. Requires minimal maintenance once set up. Perfect for people looking for a long-term passive subscription model. REIT investing. Invest in large real estate projects like hotels, shopping malls, and office buildings. REITs pay consistent dividends to investors. Low risk and ideal for long-term investing. Easily buy REITs using stock trading apps. A great alternative to buying actual real estate. Completely passive once you invest. Renting storage space. People need places to store their furniture, boxes, or bikes. Rent garage, basement, or backyard storage space. Zero effort, simply provide space and collect money. Highly profitable with almost no work. These passive income ideas for 2026 can change your financial life if you take action. Start small, choose one idea and build it slowly. Once it becomes passive, move to the next and create multiple income streams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which idea you want a full tutorial on next.